How to add product variants on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add product variant to your Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify admin and you will get right here. So in order to create a product variant, we will simply go to products right here. And then we can create a new product, or we can select a product that we already have. So I'm going to select this product right here, and it will open up my product page for me where I can edit my product. So you can see, first of all, we have name. So I can of course change the name. Then we have description. Then we have media. We have pricing, cost per item, inventory, shipping, and more. So once you scroll down on your product page, you will get this option right here, which is options. And you can see this product has option like size or color. So you have to check this option and it will open up the variant for you. So it depends on you what kind of variant you want to create. Let's say that I want to create a size variant. So I'm gonna go with size, and in option I'm gonna go with small, medium, and large. Then I will click on done. Once you click on done, it will give you the variants. So I have 3 variants right now: small, medium, and large. Now let's go ahead and add colors. So I'm gonna click on add more option, and for color I'm gonna go with black and blue. If there are other colors as well, then you can add them. So I'm gonna go with navy. All right, so we have 3 colors now. If I scroll down, you can see now I have more than 9 variants. Now you can see we have small black, small blue, small navy. Then we have medium black, medium blue, and medium navy. And then we have large black, large blue, and large navy. Like all the sizes in all colors. It depends on you now. If you want to edit any of the variants, you can click on edit. If you want to change the price for a variant, you can go ahead and do that as well. And if you want to select a variant, then you can just select from here the variants that are available. Or what you can do is you can select all of them. So I'm going to select all 9, and now I can also update the media right here. Upload an image of small black, update an image of medium black, or maybe small navy, and also update the pricing. So once you're done, it will be added, and you can now save the changes. I'm going to click on save, and my product now has 9 variants on Shopify. This is how you can also go ahead and create variants of a product on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.